Breathe out. Breathe in. Out and hold.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh.
This is a very powerful treatment.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Someone to hold me. I feel you pande imetoka. Vile na feel sahi ni kama sewages. Hiyo uchafu imetolewa yote. So imebaki like there's just iko too clear. Oh.
Mental clarity. We're looking at optimizing brain function. Okay, so breathe in.